Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Sandy from SpongeBob. So this was a request from this wonderful person right here. So thank you for requesting Sandy. And let's get started. I'm going to start drawing her with, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do 2 circles right next to each other. I'm going to try to round them out a little bit more. And I can do a little circle in each of those circles. And I can do a few little strokes for eyelashes, just there on top. And below the eyes, I can do a soft triangle for the nose. And I'm going to give a smile. And then we got that great big tooth in the front, like that. All right, so the top of Sandy's head, we're going to do a little shape like that. And we can do a little ear and kind of bring it down a little bit right here by the eye. And we're going to do another ear right here. And bring that down right there. And we can give a rounded shape right here. And right there. And I'm going to continue on and connect these 2 lines. So we've got a round face here. And now we can do 2 little lines for the neck. And I can kind of close that off there with a little rounded line. And up top here, I'm going to do a little flower. This is going to be on top of Sandy's astronaut helmet. So I'm going to do a circle, and we can do some wide petals. Like that. And I'm going to do kind of a curve like that, curved line. And a line like that. And I can make this all dark. This is where Sandy's neck is coming out of the astronaut suit. And put a line right here and on that side. And we can do a nice round astronaut helmet. Okay. All right, so next I'm going to do a little straight line on both sides like that, and then curve, and I'm going to do a little circle, a pile of little circles all along this this piece of the astronaut suit. Okay, so next let's do the arm. So I'm going to do a little shape like that, and then bring it down, kind of like a little noodle. And now we can do like a little mitten. So we got a thumb, and then a shape like that for the rest of the hand to be in. And put a little line right here, going down straight. And right here, we're going to do a straight line, coming on down. And we can curve and bring it down right here too. See, it would be coming down straight right here. And let's do the other arm on this side. Like that. And we got like a little thumb spot here. And then the spot for the rest of the hand to be in. And now she needs legs and her boots. So I'm going to put a little shape like that. And one like that, so 2 legs. And she's got big boots. So we're coming down and coming out that way. We can kind of draw a line like this going across the front there to kind of help give it shape. And we can give it a thick sole of the shoe. And we can do a circle right here. And then we can do another boot over here. So pretty much the same thing. We got that circle on the side and a little line in the front to help give it shape, and the sole of the boot. Now we're not quite done yet. We still need to put, I'm gonna put a little square right here and a little shape like this. It's gonna be the zipper for her suit. And we can do a little squiggly line going on down. So that's the zipper. And now she also has a little symbol right here. It's just a little acorn symbol. So I'm gonna make a little acorn. So we got a little shape like that. And then I'm gonna put a little rounded, like a oval top on it. And a little teeny tiny top of the acorn. And that's gonna go inside a square. Okay, and we need a tail. So coming from the back here, we can do a shape like that. And bring a line coming down that way. So we got a few little bits of fluff, and then it curls in. And now next, she's got some lines on the arm of her suit. So I can put 2 lines like that, 2 right there, and right there, right there, here in the middle, and here. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get coloring now. Alright folks, we are finished our drawing of Sandy. I think it turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see drawn next. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!